Whoa! Okay.
All right. So, geez, that was pretty good editing right there.
We thought we'll be done.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna be instantly canceled there. All right.
Yeah.
So what are we doing here?
Okay.
All right. We get the sock. We fold it up. What are we doing with the panties? All right.
What's the problem?
She just didn't want to wear socks anymore, I guess. All right.
No, she has bad days.
Oh no! I pulled off all the toilet paper again. I always do that.
Yeah.
Silly me.
And now you know the hack.
Exactly.
But come on, this is uncomfortable too.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It
Oh.
always rip. What? I'm sorry.
That was all right. But it's clean in there.
It's like what if?
Yeah, what if? What if? Yeah, that's 5-minute crafts motto. What if? Okay, so if your poop's too messy, it doesn't flush. But if you use shoe protector, it'll just whoop, just go down there easy. It's like if you use. It's like before you eat food, if you oil your mouth with some olive oil, you can just you know, just gulp that stuff down, you know.
Okay, where were we?
Just me and the boys enjoying a couple blizzies, you know. All right, so we're in the bathroom. There's a privacy problem.
Yeah, there's. Okay, but which doesn't work, I guess.
Just hold that, then you're comfortable, right? Yeah. Okay. Sponge food. Right. Sponge food.
What was that?
All right.
Okay. Oh, how you can divide it? Your 2 layers toilet paper.
Why?
Just boy.
That's how like people like really cheap restaurant owners and stuff save on their toilet paper. They're like, they will have to use half a ply. Torture. Ew, bacteria on your. Yeah, that's why you have to change your brush after like every 2 weeks or something.
What?
Which yeah, I know, right? I never. Who has money for that? Jeez.
Every 2 weeks.
Yeah,
I'm using my almost half of the year.
Oh my.
We're serious.
Yeah, I've been meaning to tell you about your breath. Jeez.
Breath? How? Okay. No, how often do you change your
like I think every like 2 months or something, but you should do every 2 weeks, I think.
Oh, it's very.
Because you get
so much.
A lot of bacteria on there. Ooh, that's you know, good if you want to ruin your towels. I feel like girls normally wouldn't want to ruin their towels. If my ex saw me doing that, she'd probably, you know, be my ex much sooner.
Oh, how to clean up? There is.
Wow. Oh, dissolving hair.
Yeah, this special. I don't know how it calls, cream that you add on your hair.
I wonder what it tastes like.
Okay.
After it, like after you dissolve the hair, what does dissolved hair taste like?
And you can dissolve all your hair.
I'm just kidding, that's so gross. Alright, what is this? For your soap so it doesn't stick and make gross splotches.
Soap powder.
Alright, clean up your business.
You're with them.
So it doesn't stick to the sponge.
Okay.
And the brushes a little bit more. Nice. A little more exfoliating action.
Oh, this net out of fruits or something like that?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa! Hey there, buddy.
Okay. You shave it yourself, bravo.
Nice beard. Pretty respectable. When you see a guy with another beard, do you share like a moment of looking at each other and just like sharing respect?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
nice.
Always. You know?
I saw a guy with like a really cool beard at a restaurant once, and I was like, I wish I could like, you know, had a cool beard like him, so I could look at him and we could just like share that connection.
Yeah. Whoa! What are you doing? What?
Oh my god, lemon?
Lemon in it. What?
Oh no!
It's a common situation, right?
It is for me.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
wait.
pantyhose. Oh.
Excuse me?
But
how are you gonna poop? I mean.
Yeah, that's gonna be difficult.
This is gonna be very difficult, you know? It's just, you need to manage somehow to...
Yeah.
Oh, isn't it weird?
Oh my god. But, okay, that's a little bit disturbing still, even with fruits.
Wow, on some moment I thought it's like a real... what is that?
I don't know, it was a nut. He was pooping nuts.
Oh, it's like you shouldn't be this all out of splashing or something, you know, you put the paper. Usually I'm doing this hack.
Oh no.
What?
Okay. now I'm curious how she's gonna touch it after all. I mean, okay, I wouldn't.
So I didn't miss it, but okay. What is this? Oh, out of order. You pooped.
Cakes. So she ate some cakes before. Great. Yeah, easy peasy.
Easy peasy, I guess. But oh boy.
Okay, that's dirty. That's dirty. That's a common situation.
That's a common situation.
Public restrooms.
I don't understand the people who stay on the toilet like so. I mean, there is a special toilets where you can stay like so, but not here. This is not that case.
Yeah, I agree.
Come on, guys.
Okay, toothpaste. And now it's clean, fresh, and doesn't smell bad.
I think it works.
Okay, she has like a superpower with that vision. Like she sees a lot of bacteria. And of course, she's gonna have that thing, the baby thing.
The baby, yeah. Actually, that's true. But I think there is also a lot of bacteria after a while, you know, on this thing.
For sure.
What?
Lavender? Yes.
Excuse me? That's what's weird. Just imagine that.
No, I don't think it's gonna work.
Oh. Guess what your guesses, you know, guesses. Guests can,
Okay,
I don't
clogged.
know. I would see
it's clogged. You know, you can do it also with the normal plastic wrap, but yeah.
I mean, for the
duct tape is, yeah. And it actually works.
You filmed this?
Yeah. I tried it before, yeah.
Okay.
It works. Okay.
Refrigeration.
That's a cool thing, actually. That's a gadget that you can actually use.
Yeah. I saw it many times, but I never used it.
Really?
Yeah, but I mean,
you should.
I should.
You have so many videos to use that thing for.
Shall we test it? Write us in the comments.
Okay.
I like that hug with the towel, you know, when they use the head.
All right, I like how we give a compliment to one of them and then it just follows up with the dumbest idea. All right, can't reach you back.
Okay, you're tired.
You're tired.
But
what do we do now? Oh, okay.
So, and spatula. I'm not gonna. That it will stick well.
Yeah, I don't think it'll do it.
First thing.
Yeah, it'll just pull off.
Yeah.
You gotta glue it or something. Whoa, hey, what did that toilet ever do to you?
Excuse me?
It's not taking your shit anymore. Alright, so what are we doing to this toilet? Wow, okay, we're like totally pimping out this toilet.
What is this? If it will, you know, like a drain system.
Ew, then you get to see your poop go around. No! That's so gross. Don't do this, 5-minute crafts. Don't do this to me.
They gotta do this, I
Don't
guess.
do this to me.
I don't want to see my poop.
Yeah, like,
look at this.
Well, imagine if it gets stuck and then you just have to look at your poop in the glass every day. No!
Well, I'm thinking if you live alone, okay, more or less fine. But if you live with someone,
never hire 5-minute crafts to do your plumbing. This is what they'll do.
Are they serious?
I don't know. I don't even know anymore. I really hope not. What?
No, it will. It will. It went right through this hole where your poop will go. Maybe it's just an aquarium. It will not use us for. I mean,
I'm gonna be disappointed if I don't see a big turd coming.
Okay, LED.
Okay. What is happening?
It's an aquarium thing.
It's an aquarium thing. All right. We love our 5-minute aquariums, toilets.
No way they will use it, I mean, for the purpose.
I want to see the poop flush through it now. I know it's disgusting, but I just think it's something I have to experience.
We wanna see!
We need to see the poopy! Please!
No way!
Alright, so...
Oh,
it looks cool.
It does look cool.
It does look kind of cool, yeah. But I feel bad for any fish that has to witness. Their whole life is just looking at you poop and pee.
That's true.
Depressing for a fish. But it's a faster exit for them, like in Finding Nemo.
Yeah.
Oh, it's for the fish to go through, not your poop. Ew. Why is it?
That's already not clean.
Yeah, no. Oh. Okay.
You can understand what kind of color it could be, right? After a while.